Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are the last week or week D of the month of March for Windows, and that means that today Microsoft has rolled out its preview updates, which are a mix of new features and bug fixes. So if you want them now, you can go into the settings, go into Windows Update, and here, if you check for updates, you will actually have a preview update KB5079391. So this is for Windows 11 24H2 and 25H2 versions. That brings your version to 26100 or 26200.8116. So this is what we have now as the latest update for March of 2026. It brings upon some of the new features, narrator, rich image description on Copilot plus PCs. It brings smart app control that you can turn on and off without having to reinstall Windows. I still don't have it here, but these are all, by the way, controlled releases. So that means that if you don't have a feature, it might be there later, and you might have it already also. So like in my case, you see here, you still can't turn it on. There's account setting changes. There's changes on the About page. New device information on settings home page is simplified. File Explorer improves the experience, more reliability. So apparently better performance, advanced security. Display now. You can actually have displays up to 1000 hertz and refresh rate, which is quite amazing. So anything that monitors that now report refresh rates higher than 1000 hertz works. Native USB 4 monitor connection and USB controller can now enter the lowest power level in the PC sleeps, stuff like that. And for the rest, of course, some bug fixes in the system. So this means that it's optional. If you don't go and check your Windows updates, it won't install or download. You will get it with Patch Tuesday updates of April. And it's always better to wait, since these preview updates, that's why they call them preview, sometimes contain bugs and problems. So if it's the case, well, at least they'll probably be fixed before the Patch Tuesday updates. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.